Hello. So, I got this giant fidget box. I'm gonna see what's inside. I don't know what's gonna be inside, but let's do it. Make sure to subscribe. Okay. Okay, let's see. Where's the opening? You just open it like this? Oh, break there. It says break here. Oh. How am I supposed to break it? Oh, there we go. So let's see. I'm scared. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's gonna be? I mean, wait, why does it sound scared? Excited. Ow! Oh. There. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So, first up, I think we should go with this thing. It's like called like one of those snakes. Yeah. I think I have one of these. I don't know. But yeah, these are super cool still. I like this. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know what I should do next. Mesh ball. Ooh. I had this same color, but it broke. So yay, I got a new one. Yay, I'm happy. Oh, we got another mesh ball. Wow. That's a lot of mesh balls. It's an Orby one. I have a tiny Orby mesh ball. Yeah, that's sick. Okay. The little peas. I love these little peas. Okay. Yeah. These are at my school, and in second grade. She gave like when we were like we had like when we wanted to fidget with something, our teacher gave us this. It's greasy. She gave us this. Same one. They have little faces. It's a doggo. But there's two faces. Huh? And one right here. He's happy. Okay. So that's sick. Now what do we got? So sick. Okay. We got stress ball. Oh, it's full of slime. It's a stress ball with slime in it. I've never had that. It's a stress ball with slime. It usually has like cream or something in it. Oh, that's sick. Like I didn't know it was gonna have slime. Yeah. Okay. Now, monkey noodles. Whatever they're called. I love these. Yeah. Ramen noodles. Get out. Dun, 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 dun. I used to have these, but they got lost. Dun, 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 dun. Take a look. Okay. That was so cool. Bro, guys, this is so cool so far. So sharp, so good. Okay, then we got some mochi squishy. I mean, we got some Taba squishies. I mean, mochis. I meant. Yes. Elephant. Must be so. Elephant. That's so cool. We got slime. So, we got slime. I don't want to open it in the car because it's probably going to get messy. No, who cares? That's going to get messy, so yeah, I'm not going to do it. Should I? Yeah, let's just do it for the content. I don't have nails. Help me. You can watch SpaghettiOs. Cheeseburger. Special teeth. Gosh. Yes. Finally got it. Yeah. It's egg putty. And this is slime. That's sick. Look at it. It's purple and blue. And some gold. Oh, that's cool. Okay. This is so cool. I can't believe this actually has like good fidgets in it. Like this actually has good fidgets. Like I wasn't expecting these fidgets because these are good fidgets because they're good fidgets even though they're good fidgets. But they're still wait. Bicycle chains or whatever this is. No, this is bicycle. Wait, is this? Yes. I don't know what this is. I heard of it. I've seen this. But it's I don't know. Yes. Yes. Love this, bro. That is super cool. What we got in here? What is this? Mesh marbles. Wait, we're not gonna do that yet. We're gonna do a big one. What is this? What is this? What is this? Whoa! Oh my! What is? Oh no, that fell. Oh no, everything's falling now. Oh my gosh! Oh Toothless is coming for you. Subscribe or Toothless will come. Oh, this is sick. And like watch here on this side. Well, this is so cool. Okay, that's good. But then we even got a SpongeBob Poppet. It's SpongeBob, you know the little underground seashell thingamabob flowers things? This, yes. This thing. That's what it is, I think. Okay, then we got a Rubik's Cube. Wait, no, that's a speed cube. I don't think it's an official one. Bro, this is a little speed cube. Wait, is this a speed cube or is this not official? Is this official? Oh, it's just a Rubik's Cube. Oh, it's still cool. Let's scramble it up. It's solved it. I didn't solve it. There we go. Okay. Is there any more stuff in here? Oh, the mesh marbles. Okay. The last thing. The last thing. Last is mesh. Good. Mesh marbles. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Do that with it, and then I love mesh marbles. They're super cool. Bye.